President Bongbong Marcos visits Ilocos Norte, which was affected by Typhoon Marce. Here's a report.
Ilocos Norte was among the areas devastated by Tropical Cyclone Marce. Fisherfolk in the area have been left without livelihood after their boats were damaged.
Ngayon, wala na kaming tulugan yung mga anak ko, misis ko. Wala na akong panghanap buhay sa para sa pamilya ko.
Pag lumaking alon talaga, yan ang kinakatakutan namin.
To assess the situation and provide assistance, no less than President Bongbong Marcos has visited the province. He says the seawall along the coastal areas has been a problem.
Matagal na, unang beses ko pa naging governor, problema na yung seawall na yan. Pero nung una naming linagay na seawall, ang layo pa ng dagat. Kaya kailangan talaga tayo mag-adjust.
He vows to start repairs within the next 2 to 3 weeks. The Social Welfare Department, for their part, has distributed cash aid for affected families. The Labor Department has also assisted through their Tupad program. The local governments in Ilocos Norte are now gearing up for the impact of Typhoon Nika.
Hopefully, hindi na makarating yung bagyo rito at malusaw na ng tuluyan.
In Pagudpud, Ilocos Norte, for News 5, I'm Brian Basa, and we are One News.
Isa yung Ilocos Norte talaga sa binayo din ng...
Hindi, ito sunod-sunod ang pagbayo sa Ilocos Norte this last few months. Kawawa naman sila. Especially now, we expect 2 more after itong Nika, di ba? 2 more bagyo.
Sabi nga ng mga kababayan natin, yung mga nandiyan dyan, Northern Luzon, hindi pa nga daw sila nakakahinga. Eto na naman, meron na naman mga bagyo na pumupunta sa, sa lugar nila.
Ay, nako. Anyway, prayers for them and I hope we're prepared this time.
Yes, yun ang importante.
Remember, may 2 pa tayong minomonitor ang pag-asa after this Nika. Hopefully...
Lagi natin pinag-uusapan yun. Dapat huwag tayo trigger happy lang
wala
lagi
pa tayo
sa ayuda.
Wala pa tayo
dapat talaga concrete at saka sustainable solutions.
Wala pa tayo December, ha?
Right.
Wala pa.